Everyone has their favorite go-to mac and cheese recipe tucked in their back pocket, but mine is a little bit different because it uses a surprising ingredient: sweet potatoes. I don't even really like sweet potatoes all that much on their own, but they really add a whole other dimension to your typical mac and cheese and help to make a super creamy, colorful, and most importantly, tasty sauce. To make my recipe, first peel and roughly chunk up 1 pound of sweet potatoes into similarly sized pieces about this big. Then combine these in a pot with 3 cups of cream and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Using medium heat, bring this mixture up to a very gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to as low as possible. Cook at this low temperature until the sweet potato becomes fork tender, about 25 to 30 minutes. Then, add a ladle or 2 of your hot cream to 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk, mixing together to combine. Gradually heating your eggs like this keeps them from scrambling when added to the hot liquid. This allows the eggs to thicken the sauce rather than turn into some weird mac and cheese egg drop soup concoction. Add the tempered eggs into your sauce, followed by a half a stick of cubed butter, a 1/4 pound of grated yellow cheddar cheese, 20 cranks of black pepper, and 6 gratings of fresh nutmeg, stirring to incorporate. Cook until the mixture is hot again, then blend it all until very smooth and creamy. Check your seasoning and add more nutmeg, salt, or pepper to taste. At this point, you can actually let the sauce cool completely and store it in your fridge for about a week if you want, heating it up in a saucepan with a little splash of cream when you're ready to use it. I'm going to make my mac and cheese right now though. Toss some cooked pasta, in my opinion it's gotta be medium shells, into a bowl and simply stir in your cheese sauce. It's perfectly great like this, but when I eat it, I like to top it with some toasted panko for some textural contrast and add a big handful of arugula. That being said, it's time for the taste test. This is honestly like so dang tasty. You know, the sauce is kind of smooth and velvety, and it has just this hint of sweetness and like the finish. It just pairs so well with the peppery arugula and the black pepper that we added to the sauce earlier. I sort of love how yellow it is. It almost looks fake, like it looks like Velveeta or Kraft mac and cheese or something. It's just really visually appealing as well. You really gotta try it out. It's great. I love this recipe so much. But that's gonna do it for me today. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking it or subscribing to my channel. It does really help me out and I would really appreciate it. Until next time, later nerds.